Hey everyone, so this is a re-upload of a recipe that I made like 8 years ago, but YouTube decided to copyright strike me on the music that I used, so here's a redo with their crappy royalty-free music. It is a peanut butter mousse cake. It's an old recipe that never goes out of style. Believe me, you're going to want to make this if you have not already. You're going to start with some semi-melted peanut butter in a large mixing bowl and then add some plant milk and vanilla extract. Whisk it smooth, and then this is the base for your mousse. Traditional mousse recipes consist of 3 things: a mousse base, a lightener or aerator. Typically that's going to be an egg white meringue from our past lives, but we are using Aquafaba for a vegan version that is just so perfect. The third element is always whipped cream, but for vegan mousses, I always reverse the order and fold in the whipped cream second and then the Aquafaba meringue last, because that's very delicate and it just can't handle all that mixing. Now you're going to want to set up a ring mold with a chocolate cake layer for the base. Now acetate cake strips are really helpful but not essential, although it is going to give you a really clean unmolding later. Set that up on a sheet pan with a parchment paper for easy transport in and out of the freezer as we work. Pour in the peanut butter mousse and then get it to the freezer. Now we start the second layer of mousse, which is chocolate. And as you see, it has all the same elements that I mentioned for a mousse, only this time the base is chocolate. We have come a long way since the making of this original video over 8 years ago, and our vegan whipped cream options are now amazing. But back then there was really just the coconut fat skimmed from cans of coconut milk, which, don't get me wrong, is still a really great option, but feel free to sub in your favorite vegan whipped cream here, or even my homemade recipe. Everything to make this cake is linked below to my website at GretchensVeganBakery.com. Well, there you have it, a vegan chocolate peanut butter mousse cake that is just so fantastic. I wished I made a bigger one. This tiny thing is like a single serving, am I right? Before I sign off, can we just take a moment to be horrified by my videography back in 2017? Everything is crooked and out of frame. Dang. Wow, I sure have honed my skills all the way around over the years. This is almost embarrassing. So please go check out the newer stuff here on my channel and my website. I'm really so much better than this, but the recipes have always been perfection. So grab it, make it. That's the end. Suck it, YouTube.